Hi, hello viewer of this video. Welcome. I will introduce myself because this is my very first video of this new channel, so nobody will know me. I'm Frank, nicknamed Frankie, and you join me on my small sailing boat called Sjonnie, the Friendship23. You join me on this rather cloudy, looks quite sunny on the camera, but it is actually quite cloudy on this late July evening here in the Netherlands. You join me aboard of my sailing boat because today I'm going to take the first step into outfitting this small boat to be able to single-handedly sail it, because that is my goal. I want to go across the bigger and more beautiful Dutch lakes, but I want to be able to do it single-handedly, and for that I need to do some upgrades, some changes along the way, and I thought, why not document it on video? But today I am going to, like I said, install the first piece of the puzzle for making this boat suitable for single-handed sailing. And the first step is to be able to lock the tiller handle, because right now if I'm sailing along, the tiller and the rudder of the boat will just do whatever it likes to do in the wind. And for hoisting the sails or doing anything on board of the ship, you want to be able to take your hands off the tiller. And well, having a friend on board is quite nice, but I want to be able to do it solo. So today I am going to take the first steps into installing the tiller mate. It's also called the tiller friend on certain brands. I will put a link in the video description if anyone likes to check this out. And yeah, today I'm going to take the first step into installing it. So yeah, I'm going to try to put you in a small tripod I brought with me. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, so this tripod is not amazing, but it is sort of doing its job. I looked at the instructions, and the official position of the tiller mate would be somewhere around here. But I have a feeling that this doohickey, this instrument, has been designed for a little bit bigger boats than mine. So I'm just learning as I go along here. So I'm just going to position it and mount it in a place where I feel is correct. If it doesn't work, I'll reposition it. As you can see, the tiller handle, it's not exactly brand new. So I'm already thinking of replacing this down the line, this piece of wood. So right now I'm just going to mount it. If the holes are incorrect, then I'll move it. And once I found the correct position, when I make a new tiller handle, then obviously I only will draw the holes that I will need. So yeah, I'm going to position it right here. I already marked the holes, so I'm just going to take my drill, just double check of the position, because I'm going around another bolt. I'm just going to mark it real quick like this, and just drill straight through the wood. Alright, that is one hole. Now to check if I actually brought the correct length bolts with me, but it's way too long, so I'm just gonna check because I brought some other length as well. Alright, let's check if one of the shorter bolts will do the trick. Okay, yeah, this length will do just fine. As you can see, it's just poking out. So I will put a small washer to even the load and a nut on the bottom. And now it's just a case of drilling straight through. And this teak, because this tiller handle is made of teak, it is smelling so amazing. So I'm going to tighten the bolts. Alright, that should do it. Seems tight enough. And now again to put all of this back together. Alrighty, well there you have it. As you can see, the Tillermate is installed, and by turning this knob you put friction on this rope, and this way you can make it harder to turn the tiller, or actually if you turn the knob all the way in, it'll actually hold the tiller in place on these ropes. Right now I've just got them rigged to these points. I don't know the English word actually. I need to look up the English words for these. The cleats, of course I do know the word. To the cleats, and obviously this is not a correct way to do it. But for just testing right now, it is okay. And if I'm not moored, obviously I can put the ropes actually on the cleat, and then eventually I'll put these clam cleats, I believe they're called. I will put them somewhere around here. Because this is actually the way the manufacturer recommends doing it. But that's a future project for when I actually know this whole system works. But right now, like, it can move a little bit on just the stretching of the rope, but it's pretty stable. So the next time I am going to sail, because today there's just a little bit too much wind for me to move out of the dock on my own, at least for my current skill level and the amount that I feel comfortable with doing, because I also don't want to damage the other boats in this marina. But the next time, hopefully somewhere in the coming week, if the wind dies down a little bit, then I'm actually going to test this mechanism while sailing. And yeah, I'm excited for it, because like I said, this is the first step that I'm now taking into making this boat capable of sailing single-handedly. So yeah, this was a relatively short video, but hey, let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you want to know more about the boat, because why not? I can make a video about the boat. And yeah, I'll make a next video when I'm actually trying out this system. Or yeah, if you've used the Tillermate on your own boat or on somebody's boat, I don't know, and you've got some tips or useful information maybe, then yeah, please let me know. I'm open to hear your opinions or a better alternative. Just let me know. And yeah, I'll try it out. So for now, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you maybe in the future.